Navorsers sê sommige van Afrika se grootste probleme kan met behulp van biotehnologie opgelos word, van gesondheidsorg tot voedselsekerheid en die uitfasering van fossielbrandstowwe.
So the loss of funding from medical research, especially from the NIH and USAID, it is terrible news from South Africa. Yeah, so that is taking billions of rand. Estimate around 5 billion rands of funding is leaving the country, and that's why this kind of initiative it's even more important, because what we have to do is to depend less of external funding, but to start creating the companies and the solutions here in home soil. So South Africa really have to move, and that's what we are trying to do here, to this important partnership between business, government and academic institutions, because that's what we need to try to fill the gap that exists in the funding.
Groter samewerking in die biotehnologie-ekostelsel en vennootskappe met sakeondernemings is 'n sleutelprioriteit.
Met 'n fasiliteit soos hierdie help ons hulle, ons gee hulle al die nodige ondersteuning, ons patenteer hulle werk, ons help hulle om hulle navorsing letterlik in die hande van die gemeenskap te plaas waar dit 'n positiewe effek kan hê. So ons maak die navorsing relevant.
Platforms soos hierdie versterk die pogings van navorsers en innoveerders om nuwe oplossings te ontwikkel wat daarop gemik is om gesondheidsorg op die vasteland te bevorder. Met die steun van wetgewers en spelers in die privaat sektor, sê kenners dat dit ook toegang tot mediese sorg in Afrika sal verbeter. Kevin Brand, Enies, Stellenbosch.